Determine a unit vector that is parallel to the vector negative 3 I cap plus 4j cap. Okay, let's begin. So first, let us suppose that the given vector, we're going to represent it by the vector A. So here A vector is negative 3I cap plus 4j cap. Now what we'll do, we'll find out the magnitude of vector A. The magnitude of vector A can be obtained by taking the square root. Underneath the square root, we need the components of I cap and j cap. So components of I cap will be negative 3, square that value and add it to the square of the components of j cap. Now that is going to give us 5. So that means the magnitude of the given vector is 5 unit. Now, what is the unit vector along A cap? Now we need to find out the unit vector along A vector. So that's defined as A cap. So this is the unit vector along A vector. Take the vector A and divide it by its magnitude. So the vector A is negative 3I cap plus 4j cap. We're going to divide it by 5, which means that A cap comes out to be negative 3 over 5 I cap added to 4 over 5 j cap. So here we have the unit vector A cap, which is along the vector A vector. But we have been asked to find out the unit vector that is parallel to the vector A. Now, the unit vector parallel to A vector, that's nothing but the unit vector itself, A cap. So this is simply going to be negative 3 over 5 I cap plus 4 over 5 j